Hello, good morning. Every gising, it's a blessing. So today, it's a good day. Pero I'm getting ready for the cyclone coming. Kasi sabi nila, nagwa-warning ang weather forecast na we have to prepare for the cyclone coming. But the day is good, so hopefully hindi matuloy yung cyclone, but we just have to prepare. So yung ibang tao nagpa-panic buying na sila, but hopefully hindi matuloy. Kaya nag-windy na siya, start windy na siya ngayon, but they said this week daw. So I will show you later kung ano ang mga binibili ko at mga getting ready for the cyclone coming. Ayan, sa BCF po tayo. Nandito na po tayo sa BCF. So, we'll check kung ano ang ating bibilhin. Ayan guys, wala na naman daw silang stock. Oh my god, walang stock. Kaya ayan, aligaga na naman tayo kasi walang stock na naman. Ano ba yan? Wala daw silang stock. Sorry, where are the generators?
Generators?
Yeah. Now left? Ayan.
No, unfortunately they're all gone. We've sold out of all generators. There are more coming, but we don't know when.
Okay, no worries. Yeah. Ayan, wala na naman daw. Just Mayo Marimar. Ay my god. Ang asawa ko kasi, dyan na magpapanik pag last minute. Ayan. Ayan, hello everyone. I just got my thank God. Ayan, for 3 hours chasing for the generator. At least nakakuha ako ng generator. So ang sabi ng sales lady, kararating lang daw ng at 10 ka ganito, 10 ka unit ng generator. Kararating lang. At least may dalawa pang naiwan. So, lucky today. So, thank you. Instead of car fridge ang binili ko, bumili na lang ako ng generator para at least magamit ko sa bahay. Makagamit din ako ng kasi yung water pump namin, yung pump namin is yung water namin is from the magpa-pump kasi siya, kaya so I'm so glad. So, thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat sa pag-watch ng short video ko. Thank you so much. At least I'm glad meron na akong generator at saka maraming akong tubig. So importante maraming tubig. Kaya maraming salamat. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, arrived na ako sa bahay. Andito na. Ayan yung new generator ko. Oh my god, kailangan talagang sariling sikap talaga to. Kailangan sariling sikap. Ayan, ganito talaga ang buhay abroad. Sariling sikap. Kaya kayod kalabaw tayo para sa ating sarili. Natin. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. This is my video for today. Bye everyone. Thank you. Every gising, it's a blessing. Bye-bye.